In today's video, I'll teach you how to make posts shareable in Facebook group. So first of all, open the Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. So if you want to make the post shareable in the Facebook group, first of all, you'll have to go to that particular Facebook group. For that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for groups and tap on it. Now after that, you'll be able to see all of your groups over here. So in order to make the post shareable, what you have to do is simply create the post in the public group. If your group is private, you'll not be able to make your post shareable. You can see over here there is no share button. But if you post on the public group, you can see over here the post will be shareable. So what you have to do is simply choose the public group where you want to make the post. After you do that, you'll be able to make the post over here. Simply tap on this field, write something. After you do that, you'll be able to create the post over here. Go ahead and create the post. Now tap on the done option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you can do is simply post it. Tap on the post option that you can see at the bottom. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the created post will be shareable. That means whenever you post on the public group, the post will be automatically shareable. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you make posts shareable in Facebook group. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.